This time we have powers in our examples. So what we're supposed to perform first? We're supposed to, of course, perform the power. So I'm going to have 9 plus 4 to the second power is equal 16. 9 plus 16 is equal 25. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We have multiplication inside of the parentheses, and the content of parentheses is raised to the 4th power. We're supposed to perform the multiplication first. 5 times 2 is equal 10 to the 4th power. This is nothing else, just 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. This is basically what means 10 to the 4th power. So we have 10 times 10 is 100. That's why I'm going to write 100 times 10 times 10. 100 times 10 is 1000 times 10. 1000 times 10 is equal 10,000. So 10,000 is the solution to my second problem.